Hello friends, just got in, shot a piece of steel into my eyeball and it's flicking killing me. So I thought the best way to get, I got the metal out, I hope. The best way to deal with injuries is have a drink with an old friend. This is my old friend. And we'll have to try it, won't we? Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Crystal red. So I'm going to sit here until the pain goes away, alright? Won't take long. That's bloody nice, that is. I like it. The thing is, I tend to go like this because I'm a cider drinker, so wine, nice wine. I wish you could taste that, it's nice, I wish you could taste that. Okay, let me get on with my healing. Bastard thing. Off the miller. Shot it off the miller, got me right in the eye. Oh, sorry.
Let's be little Spaniel. Look at the little Spaniel.